So guys, you're welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a continuation of the video I made about a month ago about this project, that is ORO.AI. Well, we subscribe to the waitlist, so the testnet is now live. Is a very good project. Sneak peek into our protocol. So how ORO turns private data into frontier AI. So all you have to do is to watch this video as I guide you through the processes on what to do and how to complete that process in this video. Not only that, guys, we've made a video on this important project, Pharaoh's testnet. Guys, we've made a comprehensive video on this project on this platform. So go and watch that video so that you join this amazing testnet platform. Don't miss out on this platform. You need to get the airdrop, swap token, transfer to friend, which we're going to make a video on how to do that as soon as we have details on that. So guys, don't miss out on that. So today we're going to run through the processes on how to join this platform ORO.AI. So the link to this particular website is in the video description. It's also in our Telegram channel. So once you paste the link in your browser, it comes up like this: ORO. ORO turn your data into digital gold. Then your data is the most valuable commodity in the AI world. It's time you get reward for it. So you can take your time and scroll all the way. So while scrolling, guys, you have a lot of options. So come over and click on this button that says sign up. Once you click on this sign up button, click on this sign up button, click on sign up button here. Once you click on sign up button, contribute to AI, get reward, then provide your email address here. So click on continue button to sign up. Have access to this information. Welcome, what should we call you? So you can pick from any of these name that is here. So click on any of them. So let me click on the first one. Then once you click on the first one, click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, you have to provide the referral code into this place. It's also in the video description as well in our Telegram channel. It also come up on the screen as you can see it. Now click on continue button. Once you've entered this referral code, click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, it comes up like this. Then click on this land button. Then wait for this page to load up. So it has reloaded up, guys. Then you have access to this button here. So once you reach that point, now here is what you need to do. Here you have 9 missions to be completed. Here we have the missions here. You need to connect to the Gmail account with 60 points and 25 points per day. According to the X account, 600 points rather with 25 points per day. Then if you have Amazon account, connect to it 50 points, 25, 500 points with 25 points per day. If you have this one, Fitbit, 700 points, 30 points per day. So you have Coinbase, connect your Coinbase, connect your Discord, connect to this and connect to Quora, then connect to Quora. So if you have any of these accounts, you need to connect to them. So it is not mandatory nor compulsory. Just try to connect and get as many points as you can. So let's start by connecting to the X account. Click on connect button here. Click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, click on this authorize button. So once you've done that, you can see that mission successful. You've earned this point. Then click on done. Now that I've connected to the X account, you can as well locate and click on the Discord option here to connect your Discord to get 600 points. So click on connect button here. Now scroll down, click on authorize to authorize your Discord account to this platform. So that has been completed. You've earned another 600 points and you earn 25 points per day once you log into this platform. So the next one is, let's try and connect to email address. Scroll down and click on this continue button. From the option here, click on your Gmail account. So Gmail account has been connected successfully. Now we've completed 3 missions out of 9 missions. So if you have account with any of these mission, guys, go ahead and complete, and you can see that we've gotten 1,200 points here. Now let's click on the drop option. Let's click on the drop. You can see there are some things coming, endpoint to increase your chance. So you have to keep earning on daily basis. Come to this place and maintain the streak so that you earn more points for yourself. Then you can as well click on the X-ray to see what you've completed so far. Here we have the mission 3 active connections so far. We have them here. You can see the connected to Gmail account, connected to Discord account, then connected to X account has been completed. Then as well, you can click on this button. When you click on this button, you have access to the profile, your email address. Then click on this place to get your referral code. Then share the family friends on social media. So guys, that is all this in process, guys, on how to join this TP Money platform. If you enjoyed this tip and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.